Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina. And we're TNT
RVing. So we're here at the show checking out some Rockwoods and some Flagstaff. And Tina, what are we checking out now?
We're checking out this brand new Rockwood Mini Lite. It's a 2026 brand new floor plan. It's a 2108RB. So come on, let's check it out.
Alrighty, let's get this tour started. And if I can find some specs, I'm going to put them in the box down below. And let's start off at the front cap here. Rockwood Flagstaff, they do a great job. One-piece fiberglass front cap, automotive windshield, room for 2 lead-acid batteries, room for 2 30-pound propane tanks, and a power front tongue jack. Also, Lippert, they're providing Rockwood Flagstaff with this powder-coated frame, which I really like. Of course, you have this front diamond plate, protect that front cap. Tina, along the side here, take a look. This is your switch here for your power stabilizers. These are the PSX2. This has a stabilizer motor on either side, each side of it, and in the event you're in some uneven ground, they work independently from each other, which is really good. That's a switch for that right there. Here's a solar side plug. Here you need a solar panel with a charge controller, and that'll help top charge your battery. Comes standard with a 200-watt solar panel up on the roof here, 1800-watt inverter, and check out these little baggage doors here. So this is kind of neat. This is a dinette slash Murphy. This is the Murphy area, so you have a little bit of storage here right underneath the dinette. Take a look at that dinette storage space there. And another neat thing we like about Rockwood Flagstaff, of course, they're going to be using welded aluminum structure. Everything is nice and sound in that for sure. Frameless windows, nice awning here. Tina, this friction door. Let's take a look at this friction door. Nice. Light winds, you're set. It stays wherever you place it. In the event of some strong winds, you've got this arm over here, hooks up to this piece right here. It'll lock into place. We're gonna leave this a little bit open there. This, being that it's just a little two-step, doesn't weigh a lot. So you do not have a strut assist. You just simply lift it. It's not really heavy, so that works out well. But check out this safety rail here, made by Moride. This is a nice rail. I like this. Easily stows away, like so. You put your pin in there, you're underway, good to go. Simply deploy it like that, which I really like as well. Continuing along, here's your furnace. And this has 4 screws. You pop this out, and you can easily take a look at the backside of your furnace without having to remove it on the inside of the unit. More frameless windows. Here's your range oven exhaust vent. Pop that open like so. Outdoor speakers, television mount. Got your rail, got power. This is your cable satellite connection. And down below, Tina, check out these Goodyear Endurance tires. You got aluminum rims. Inside those tires, you've got balance beads, which I really like. And also inside those tires, you've got banded clamp TPMS system. So that actually is by Road Tech. It monitors your tire pressure along with temperature of each of the tires, which I like. Of course, Dexter torsion axles. Never adjust brakes. Rockwood Flagstaff, they do a really good job with their running gear for sure. Continuing along back here, Tina, this is our water heater. And we're just gonna go around back and let's take a look at the back end of this.
You're already Tech flag.
Yes. You're already prepped for a rear camera. It's another window there. And check this out. I like this. This is a rear spray port. It's got hot and cold water, which I like, and it's closer to the campsite as well. Right below that is your black tank flush. And of course, there's water hookup and everything on the other side. The other thing real quick, 300-pound capacity on that receiver, 250-pound capacity on our ladder. So, Tina, that wraps up the exterior. Let's have you take us around the interior.
Okay, let's go.
Alrighty, so here's another look at the exterior of the Rockwood Mini Lite 2108RB 2026 model. Brand new floor plan. Let's see what Tina's up to.
come on inside. But before you do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. But come on in here and check out this great new model for 2026. But we've got a dinette right here. It's a good 2-seater. You could probably squeeze 4 in here if you had little ones with you. But this is a great game table as well as a nice dinette. And this is the Murphy bed, and we'll show you how that opens up a little later. But we're going to give you the full tour right now. So as we're walking in here, Tony, I'm going to bring you back in. We should have probably started over here. But we've got a junk drawer right as you walk in. Well, I call it junk drawer. You can probably put anything you want in there. But here's your RV panel. This is standard in all the Rockwood and Flagstaffs, and that's your control panel there. You also have an outlet here, as well as your solar controller, and that is all right here as you walk in. So we're going to work our way over into the kitchen right now. Here's a full, huge single basin sink with a nice fixture here, and this is your prep space, but it also has this little extension here, so in case you need more space for prep, which is really kind of slick actually. So you've got a television set here, which is right across from the theater seating, but here's your microwave, your Magic Chef microwave. So here you have your Suburban oven, your stovetop here, and then your oven down here. Nice 21-inch oven, gotta love that. When they're off, they're blue. When they're on, they're red. So Tony, as you come around here, you can see the place for your scrub brushes here, and you have a drawer space here, as well as another deeper drawer down here. And you also have this drawer space down there. So for this little unit, there's a lot of storage. Like that a lot. So we've got the refrigerator that opens this way, as well as this way. So when you're in the bathroom, you could grab a soda. And you also have the freezer drawer right here. You have your smart converter down there. And then we're going to just swing this way. This is your pantry. That's actually pretty deep for this. I like that. That's nice. And you also have cupboard space down here as well. So as we work our way over here to the theater seating on the slide, very comfortable seats. You have some storage in the armrest here, a place to charge your phone here. You have these awesome dark night shades that really block the light. I like that a lot. You also have cupboard space up here. Look at all that. And this light is a tap light. So you can shut that off if you're in here and you don't want full-blown light in your face. So I didn't show you the emergency exit over here. So you've got that's right next to the dinette or the Murphy bed when it's down. So one thing I also didn't show you is the storage space under here. So you can access under your dinette, and it's on both sides. You also have your inverter switch and your outlet there. And there is light switch down there as well as a USB. So we're going to work our way back towards the bathroom now. So don't forget, these are solid wood doors, great fixtures. So come on back in here. Look at this ginormous bathroom. Love the shower space. Look at this. This is nice. It has the shower miser here. I just had a hiccup, I'm sorry. It's nice skylight, and you have a max air vent fan up above my head right here. So there's also all this storage in here. Look at, wow, that's like a lot. Nice window, and you have your medicine cabinet there, as well as a little bit of space down here. Oh, actually, there's a lot of space down there.
Why don't you take this and show?
Yeah, so there's a lot of space down here, and you also have that kick light down there. I like those kick lights for at night. You easily just turn that on instead of having full-blown light. So we're going to open up the Murphy bed now, and I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, so we're going to put this Murphy bed down, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Okay, so we're going to take the pillows off, table down first, then you remove the cushions, and they come out like so. And I guess this does go down even further. Look at that. Okay, this folds down. You take your cushions and you put them like so. They're velcroed in, so they're a little snug. There we go. And that folds down as well. So there you got that. So you could even use this if you're a single person. You could use this as a bed. But then you're going to climb up here, and you're going to pull these little tabs here. And this is where you got to be careful. I dropped my mic. Put that back on. So this, don't put your fingers up here because they will pinch, but you can't, there's a handle here too, but you can hold it and then you're gonna put it down. And there you go. And there's your bed. You got a really nice mattress here, and then you're able to open up the cabinets here as well as the drawers down here. So, and they are on both sides. So this is pretty slick. I like this a lot.
Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly. And if you did, I'd appreciate if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground.